Hello everyone, I am PD with you in room 32. Hope you are doing great. Today I will show you how to create multiline in AutoCAD. Those who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Keep watching room 322. Multiline command is ML. You can easily draw window, railing or similar type objects by multiline. Now we will create multiline. Command ML and go to ML style. Here you get a default style. Click new to make a new style. Give a name. Then click continue. Now we have to set offset value. We will add offset value. You can also see the preview. We will put a value 0.1. We will add another value minus 0.1. Now you can see we get our window multiline. You can set value as you need. Now select the start and end cap. There are some another options you can apply. You can also apply fill color, but I don't need it. Select color by layer and line type continuous. Click OK. Then make it set current, then again click OK. Here you can see now you can draw multiline. I make window multiline, it's 5 inch. You can also make 10 inch or more. Look, this is 5 inch multiline. You can change wall to window or window to wall by the command ML style. You can change the multiline style by keyboard command. Command ML space ST space to change the style of multiline. Then you have to enter multiline style name, then space. Thus you can change one style to another multiline style. Now we change the multiline style scale. Command ML space S space give a value to change the scale of multiline. Command ML, click justification in the command line. Here you get the justification option, top, 0 and bottom. Draw line as you need. Draw a box using multiline. Command ML edit, you will get multiline edit tools. To use these tools, first click on the icon, then select your object. Then you can edit multiline. You can easily join corner or add lines in multiline. You can also use regular trim or extend procedure. Multiline smoothly work with trim and extend command. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please like and share my video. If you have any problem, please share in my comments box. I will try to solve it. Thanks everyone. See you in my next video.